and cent in.
Yeah.
Sister saving you cents.
Sister saving
cents. All right, so we are here today, guys, to let you know about the CVS deals from 6/9 through 6/15. We got some good deals and we got some maybes.
Yeah, we got
possibles.
good deals, maybes, and
whatever.
Things that you need to do on Sunday, things that you need to do on Saturday if you decide that you want to do it. So yeah, let's jump right in, folks. Okay, so the first deal is going to be the spend 30, get $10 back in extra bucks, and that's going to be with Purcell 40 ounce or the Power Cap 16 count. The Scott paper towels are going to be $5.49, and then the Scott 1,000 sheets are $7.99. So this is the best deal, and you need to go ahead and break. You remember you can't scroll with the button.
I don't know what's wrong.
Don't forget, with this deal, you're going to have to do it in 2 separate transactions. It's the best deal, which is buying 5 Purcell at $5.94. We're going to be using the 98% rule. I don't even know what the total is, but I did the math. It works. Use 5 of the $2 off of 1, the Purcell Pro Clean detergent, and that's from Retail Me Not 512. This is a Sunday only deal because this expires on Sunday. This is the best deal. Scott only has 50-cent coupons. That's not good. Don't buy the Scott, okay? Anyway, so it's going to be $19.70. You get $10 back. So it's $9.70 is your final price, or $194 each. And that's if you love this. And if you're rolling a extra buck, this is great. Yeah. So you got a $10 extra buck to roll. Do this deal. Okay. On Sunday. Next.
Sunday only.
Sunday only, folks.
All right. Next is any Hallmark items are buy 3 get $3 extra care buck.
Yes.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna be looking for 3 Hallmark cards that are priced at $2.
Yes.
You're gonna use the $3 off of 3 Hallmark cards CVS store coupon. The link will be on the list, guys. You're gonna pay $3 and you're gonna get $3 back.
Free.
So
Father's Day cards.
Boom.
Bam, bam, bam.
Find them $2 ones.
Yes.
All right.
Yep. Okay, so next is the Nature's Bounty. This is going to be early activation only. It's buy one, get one free. These are the same deals that we mentioned last week. Verbatim, okay? Because the coupons are expiring. They're saying that we would potentially get some coupons this weekend for these, but the $2 and $3 are much better. So last week we talked about the Nature's Bounty Optimal Solutions, which is $9.49 for the 80 count, using 2 of the $3 off of ones from Retail Me Not 55.
Now that's the hair, skin, and nails.
Hair, skin, and nails, the Optimal Solutions, and that's kind of in the picture, but that's not the one you want. You want the gummies. And then the $2 off of 1. If you have it, and if you don't, you can use the $2 for 8 CRT, because either way, you gonna get it.
Okay, now 2 off of 1 is a $2 off of 1 Nature's Bounty. And the 2 off of 8 is a 2 off of 8 any.
So you can combine the 2 if you decide to, and lower this. And I think I mentioned that in the video last week as well. Yeah. Okay. And then there's also a breakdown for the regular Nature's Bounty. So we were talking about the potassium and the zinc caplets. They're $6.99 and $7.29, so it's like a 30 cents difference. But anywho, you're going to pick up 2 of either or. 30-cent difference. Keep that in mind. You're going to use one of the $2 off of 1, the same Nature's Bounty CVS CRT, so pick a deal, whichever one you need. And then you're going to use the $2 off of 1, the Nature's Bounty supplements from Retail Me Not 55. You can pay as low as 49 cents each or 64 cents each. And if you also have that 2 off of 8, you can throw that in here as well, and that'll be free for you.
Oh, and the money maker.
Bam, bam, bam.
Remember to put something in there to cover the overage if you're only doing that deal, because it will not work. Okay, here we go. L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. Spend $15, get $5 extra bucks. So what you're going to do, you're going to buy 4 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner at $16. You're going to use 2 of the 4 offer 2s that we're going to get in SS69, and it's probably regional.
It's probably regional. Just know that. In the ad, as you can see in the picture that's in the list, it says $3 off of 2. We're getting at $4 off of 2. I'm almost 100% sure. Just
keep that in mind.
Just keep it in
your
mind.
Area, you get a 3 off of 2.
Yes,
you never know.
because you may, and we don't know, but we rarely get this coupon ever. So
okay, so you're gonna use 1 of the 3 off of 2 any hair care CRT. That's select shoppers. You're gonna pay $5, and you're gonna get $5 back, making it all of those free. Yeah, great deal.
So
if not, it'll be $1 all 4. So that's a quarter.
Yeah.
If you get the 3 off of 2 instead.
Well, it's the 3 off of 12 if you got it.
No, I'm talking about this.
Oh, yeah, it's still good. Just make sure you want a
actually.
CRT with this deal, but if you don't have one and you need it, then
it's
okay. Yeah,
but
for
definitely do it
free,
if you have those exact CRTs. That's a great deal.
Yep. Okay, see, this one, we got to fix that. But anyway, that's not the point. You want me to talk about this? Crest Pro Health and the Complete is going to be on sale. This hot offer in the ad. It's $2.99. So you're going to buy 2, you get $3 back in extra care bucks. So we're going to pick up 2 of the Crest Pro Health 4 Complete for $5.98. You're going to use one of the instant coupons. Everyone's going to get an instant coupon from the coupon center. It's $1 off of 1. You're going to use one of those. You're going to use 2 of the $1 off of 1 from the Crest toothpaste P&G from May. Are we in May?
It was last month.
Last month, because we haven't got one for June.
That's it. It's 6 something.
Yeah, you're going to pay
$2.98.
Yes.
You're going to get $3.
2-cent moneymaker.
There you go.
Great deal. Woo. We don't pay for toothpaste here.
Now, the reason why, make sure you look at it, because it does look a little confusing.
It does.
It's a little different in the picture, but that is the deal.
You just got to read it.
Down.
Okay?
Yep.
There is a limit of 2 if you decide you want to do this deal.
Okay, now, this is something I just realized. Okay, so, just in case, if you have how much is this deal total? $5.98?
$5.98. You got the 2 off of 6.
Okay, so if this is this bonus thing I'm gonna throw out there, there is also a Crest mouthwash deal. They're $4.99. When you buy one, you get $2 extra care bucks. If you got the 4 off of 14 Crest CRT mouthwash, toothpaste, and all that, you can combine both of these deals. I got that last week, and I did look at it, but I didn't. We didn't add it in because it was $1.99. Usually, or maybe a little bit more than that. Anytime that mouthwash is less than $1, we try to add it in. Yeah. But if you do have that CRT, this is why you should watch the video. Because everything won't be on the list. You gotta watch the video. But if you combine the Crest deal and do 2 of the mouthwash, use your 4 off of 14. This should make for a great deal.
And that's going to bring down your out-of-pocket cost way low, and it's going to be a good deal.
Yep. So that's what I just thought.
Probably something that we would do. We do that.
That's
y'all.
it.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. Next up is soft soap.
Yeah.
Liquid hand soap, 13 ounce, or body wash, 15 to 8 ounce, or buy one get one 50% off. When you buy 2, you're gonna get $3 extra care bucks. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy 2. The price is gonna be $7.78. This is the body wash.
Yes.
You're gonna use $1 off of. No, excuse me. You're gonna use 50 cents off of one body wash in-app CRT. That's select shoppers.
Yeah.
Those are the coupons that say send a card.
And you can only send a card.
Yep. You're gonna use 2 of the 75 cents off of one from soapsoft.com. I cannot talk. Soft soap.
Just click the link. You don't have to know where it's at.
$2 for 6 body wash CRT. And that's select shoppers. You're going to pay $3.78. You're going to get $3 back in extra care bucks, making your final cost 78 cents or 39 cents a piece. Get that deal.
Yeah, and if you don't have the CRT, I'm not going to get this deal. But that's just completely up to you. So, and this also works with the liquid hand soap.
Yes, and also there's also on the same website, there's a 75 cents off printable on the liquid hand soap.
It is. The only problem is that there's no CRTs for the liquid hand soap, and the 13 ounces $4.99. According to the website,
so it's not on sale. So
it makes
with the
it
body
higher
wash, unless you got some other CRTs.
Yes,
because I did have in the past couple weeks, I did have some hand soap CRTs.
So you do use it because it's 19 cents cheaper than the actual thing, but it's the 13 ounce only, and that's what makes it kind of.
Well, that's the thing that they didn't put. They actually didn't put the body wash on sale this time.
Yeah, so
a lot of times when it's on promotion, it's on sale, but this one is not on sale.
So it's full price.
So there you go.
That's
the best deal.
Yep. Okay, so next up is going to be the select Schick razors are going to be not 99 cents, $9.99. When you buy one, you get $4 back, and this is a limit of 1. So the Schick Hydro Silk, Schick Hydro 5, and we're going to say other select razors that we don't know about are going to be $9.99. You're going to buy one, you get back a $4 extra care buck when you buy one, and then you're going to use one of the $4 off of
one from SS69.
One. Okay, $4 off of one from Smart Source 69. That coupon that we're going to get this weekend, and then you're going to use a $3 for one Schick razor CVS CRT.
Yep, and that you should have got that. Whoever has it last week. Got it last week because I got it.
Yes.
Okay.
We got some good coupons last week.
Okay, now you're going to pay $2.99. You're going to get $4 back, making it a totally free razor deal.
Yeah,
great deal.
That's a moneymaker.
And a moneymaker. Yeah. It is I don't know how much. 102 moneymaker.
Yeah, something like that. 101,
101 moneymaker.
The point is, you're gonna make some money. Yeah,
it'll be on the list.
Yeah. So the other deal is the Kotex NEU by Kotex. They're gonna be buy one get one 50% off, and when you spend $15, you're gonna get $5 back, folks. So this is going to be the breakdown, and then I'll say something else at the end. The breakdown is going to be purchasing 4 of the pads or tampons priced at $5.79. That's going to bring you to $17.36. You're going to use 4 of the $1 off of one from Smart Source $5.19, but we're also getting some this week. Did you know that?
Mm-mm.
They're in the ad. I just thought about that. I don't know if this one has. That one shouldn't have expired by now, right?
No. So what you want to do?
Yeah,
just check it.
Just check
your inserts. If we
not,
don't know, if we'll update it. If it's something that needs to be updated.
But I think almost sure that we're getting some in Smart Source this week. Okay. And then there's a 3 off of 8 Kotex CRT for select shoppers.
For shoppers. All the shockers. You got 3 off of 8 Kotex CRT.
And if you did not use your 4 off of 2 feminine care, this is select shoppers as well from last week. You can throw it in this deal and you will end up paying $6.36. And then you will get back $5 in extra care bucks, making this $1.36 for all 4 items, or 34 cents each, which is a fantastic deal for
fantastic dizzle.
Dizzle my nizzle.
Okay, so next would be the Tide Pod. No, the Tide.
Simply Tide.
Simply Tide. There we go. Simply Tide. Lord, we just got too much.
We just got a lot going on today. Sorry.
Okay, so the Simply Tide 31 ounce. Go, Cindy.
Yeah, 31 to 40 ounce, or the 13 count pod packs are going to be $2.94 today, folks. Well, on Saturday, folks. Sunday, folks. Not Saturday, folks. You're going to use the $1 off of one from Retail Me, not $6.9, making them $1.94 each. So if you like the Simply Tide, grab it.
It's not a bad deal.
It's not a bad
Under
deal.
$1.99 is stock up price, guys.
Yeah. So that's something to keep in mind. Okay, you want to hit it off with
okay, next is the men and women's speed stick. They're going to be $2.49. When you buy one, you get $1 extra care bucks. So in this deal, listen up. You're going to buy one men's and you're going to buy one women's speed stick. You're going to use 2 of the 50 cents off of one from SS69. You're going to use 1 of the 50 cent in the in-app send a card select shoppers coupons. Those are the ones, okay? You're going to use 2. They don't got 2.
No, I'm going to say
use one of the same women's 50 cent off of one speed stick coupon in-app select shoppers.
Yeah.
Then you're going to hit them with that 2 off of 2 CRT if you got it.
If
select
you got
shoppers.
It. Yeah.
Then you're going to pay 98 cents. You're going to get $2 back, making the final price $1.01 moneymaker. If you don't have all this, skip this deal.
Yeah, because it's not really a good deal. And
unless
also,
you got all this.
one thing, folks, and we're not 100% sure about, but last week I did the Kotex. No. Was it Kotex? No, it was a Carefree deal, Playtex, Carefree. And on my in-apps, my send a card only coupons stacked with my CVS CRT paper coupons, okay? So this is why we added these in. I'm almost 100% sure though, they literally took like 6 of my coupons. I don't know if it was a glitch, but I think it actually does it because I've seen other people saying the same thing. So just keep that in mind. If it does not work, please know it'll be $1 difference. Just return it, okay?
There you
cool,
go.
Folks. That is all we got for you today.
Woo! Sorry about all that, guys.
Yes.
Woo! But listen, if there's some maybes out there, and if it's worth updating, we'll update for you.
We'll definitely update it
and let you know. If you have any questions, put them down at the bottom.
Yes.
Y'all know, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure that you leave a comment down below.
Yes.
Make sure you hit that bell so you know when we post new
videos.
videos.
Hit that bell, folks.
Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Bye.